Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS Media Queries. So in CSS we use the media queries to deliver one tailored style sheet so that our web page will properly fit into different devices such as the desktop, laptop, tablets or even the mobile devices. So the media query will check the width and the height of the viewport, and also it will check the width and height of the device, and also it is going to check the orientation of the device. Like an example, if the device is in landscape mode, then we are going to have one different layout of the website, and also if the device is in portrait mode, then also we are going to have one different layout of our website so that the website fits perfectly into all of those different devices. So the syntax of the media query is, first of all we have the add media, and then we can use the not or the only operator, and after that we have the media type. So the media type can be a printer or can be screen and also can be one screen reader, and then we have the AND operator, and after that we have to specify the expression. So we can have multiple expression. So if all of those expression become true, then the CSS style we specify inside the media query will be applied to the media type. Like an example, inside the style tag, first of all we have to write add media, and then we have to specify the media type. So the media type can be printer, or we can target for one specific screen like the computer screen, tablet screen or even the mobile screen, and also we can use speech to target for one screen reader. So for now we're gonna target for one screen, and after that we have to use the AND operator, and then we have to specify the expression. So the expression can be like min width. So if the minimum width of the screen becomes 600 pixel, then we can select the body, and then we can set the background color to red. So whenever the minimum width of the screen becomes 600 pixel or above, then the CSS style we specify inside the media query will be applied. So in this case, whenever the minimum width becomes 600 pixel or above, then the background color of the body will be red. So you can see initially the background color is white, but whenever we increase the width of the device and whenever the width becomes 600 pixel, then the background color changes to red. And this is one simple example of how we can use the CSS media query. And also we can add another media query. So we have to write add media, then the media type will be screen, and the expression will be whenever the minimum width of the device reaches to 700 pixel, then inside the media query we have to specify the CSS style. So we're gonna select the body, and then we're gonna set the background color to green. So whenever the minimum width of the screen becomes 700 pixel or above, then the background color will be green. So you can see initially the background color is white, but if we increase the width of the browser, then whenever it reaches to 600 pixels, then the background color changes to red, and whenever it reaches to 700 pixels, then the background color changes to green. So this is the way we can use the media query, and we can apply different style for the different width of the device. So one of the use cases of the media query will be, suppose we have one website which has one sidebar and the main content area. So we can modify that layout depending upon the width of the devices. Like an example, if the width of the device is really small, then we can hide our sidebar and we can only show the content area of our website, and this way our website will be properly displayed onto different devices. So this will be one of the main usage of media queries. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.